it's Emily here today, and we're going to be doing a little bit of a different video, and I'm going to try to clean my beauty blender by using the microwave hack and seeing if it works. So let's get on with the video. Okay, so this is my beauty blender, and it is pretty dirty. It used to be light purple, so you can definitely see a difference. There's some lipstick on there and lots of foundation. So I'm just going to wet it. Fill this cup thing with some water. And then I'm going to put some of this dish detergent in there. I'm going to put a lot in there. I'm just going to submerge the sponge into this water. I'm going to put this in my microwave for 1 minute. Okay, it is done. And it looks like there's a bunch of gunk in the water. So you can see that my sponge is still purple now, and there's still some spots that I'm going to work on. But I'm going to put some more soap on this and see what it does. Okay, so I just got done cleaning my beauty blender, and here is the surprise look. So it does look pretty new. Over here there's just a little spot of foundation on the top, and then on the bottom there's just a little foundation. But I would say the microwave hack pretty much worked for me, and I love how I can actually see that it's purple now, and it is super cute and like new. So I would recommend trying it out if you have an old beauty blender or just one that you've been needing to clean, and I would say that it pretty much works. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and give this video